whole heap of snacks in here now, guys. Snacks. But apart from snacks, hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly what came in my box from Jamaica. So if you guys are not aware, you can ship a box from Jamaica through Canada Post for only 1,000 Jamaican dollars. Once your box is under 25 pounds, all you'll pay is $1,000 when you are shipping it to Canada. So for me, when I was moving to Canada, of course I carried some items that I would want from back home, little snacks, little baked goods, but of course they're finished. So what I did, I asked a family member back home in Jamaica to ship me a box from Jamaica through Canada Post, through Jamaica Post, and I was able to get some items, some Jamaican goodies, some Jamaican stuff. So I'm just going to show you guys what came in my box. You're going to need a box to pack, preferably a brown box with no other markings on it. You can purchase a box from Canada Post. Canada Post sells boxes that you can use that are acceptable to ship, and you don't need to wrap a box. However, if you choose to, you can just go to the supermarket or wherever you feel you can get some free boxes from, but you're gonna have to wrap them in brown paper. So it's your choice, whatever you feel is more convenient and easier for you to do at the time. So I asked for some sauerkraut leaf tea. So you guys probably know I'm an international student here in Canada, and sometimes things can get a little hectic, and so I find that sauerkraut leaf tea does wonders to help me relax and calm down. And so I requested that my family member send some. So she sent 2 boxes, Caribbean Dreams. I didn't even know that they had this until she sent it a previous time. So here we go. Also bun. I asked for some round bun because since I've been here, I have not been able to have any bun, and I love bun. So she was trying these small buns before she tries to send like a large one, just to see how it would keep, because the disclaimer, the shipping process takes weeks. So the quickest I've heard it come through is a little over 2 weeks. And the longest time that I believe I've waited for was actually for this box. And it took about a little over a month to get here. So bear that in mind when you're packing items that expire quickly, items that don't last very long, like say your freshly baked hard dough bread, because that is one of the things, guys. That's one of the things I requested, hard dough bread, but you would have to express the box, and of course the charge would be different. I'll get into that a bit later. But things that expire or perish quickly, it's not recommended that you use this route to ship them, because it will take a couple weeks to get to you, depending on where in Canada you are as well. I have been feeling for bulla for the longest while. At one point I was looking for recipes because I said I need to learn how to make this, because I am not going to be able to get it here in Canada, so I'm going to have to learn how to make it. So like I said, bear in mind this shipping process is going to take some time. So for items that are going to expire quickly, please use caution, or don't ship them with this route at all. So apart from snacks and other goodies, I asked for some wormouts. So if you're from the Caribbean, wormouts. So if you're from the Caribbean, you know that when it's back to school time, everybody in the household gets washed out, wormout, whatever you want to call it. So I said that, okay, it's time for back to school. My son's going back to school. I'm going back to school. We need some wormouts. Now, I wasn't sure what was available here. I wasn't sure what it was called, what the brand is like, if it's available over the counter. So I said, you know what? Let me go with what I already know. I used this brand back home for my son when he was younger. So I know that it's safe for kids over 1 year of age, and adults can take it as well. So usually the whole household, or yeah, all three of us can get a dose out of this one bottle. So I got 2 bottles of it just in case the one bottle couldn't serve. And if there's any left over, then there will certainly be some more for the next time that we need to do this process, because I believe you do it every 6 months. So 6 months time again, we have some left over. If it doesn't serve for the whole household, at least there will be some enough for my son. But for the new school year, warm out. So is another item that we got in the box. So my husband really likes this brand, this specific type of Purelene hair oil, and so it's hard to get. We haven't seen it here in Canada, and it's Jamaican made, I believe. Yes, it's made in Kingston, so the likelihood of us getting it here in Canada, in Alberta, is like nil. So we decided, okay, we're gonna request this. So this is another item that came. Holy for snacks in here, you know, guys. Snacks. But apart from snacks, I'm trying to show you what else we got. So we got some hot cocoa. She put this in there. I didn't really request it, but grateful for it nonetheless. That Jamaican flavored chocolate, it's different, so I'm happy to receive this, and I will be trying it very soon. What else did I want to show you guys? No, cheese tricks, cheese curls, whatever you want to call it, they are available here in Canada, but there's just something about the brands from back home. It just have a different taste. Butter Kiss, guys, well, last yesterday's Butter Kiss butter biscuit. So I specifically requested this be put in there because my son really liked these snacks back in Jamaica. So to have him have these, I'm sure he's going to be excited about them. So water cracker. No, this is not water crackers. This is cream crackers. Cream crackers. Yes, guys, this is cream crackers. So I like cream crackers because it's thinner than the water crackers. Water crackers is available in Canada. Water crackers is available in Walmart, at least in Medicine Hat. So Walmart has water crackers, tough crackers. That's what I'm calling water crackers. Tough crackers, Excelsior, tough crackers. They are Walmart. But cream crackers, I've been having a hard time finding anything that's similar to our cream crackers. So cream crackers is a thinner, unsalted cracker that is so easy to mash up and crush up that sometimes people crush it up in their porridge. I know sometimes persons mash it with cheese and a little hot water and make this really nice snack. So my son really likes cream crackers. Haven't been able to find anything like it just yet, and so I requested this cream crackers. Okay, so this was a shot in the dark. This was a chance, taking a risk, sending kiss cake. But don't worry, you can throw it in a mug and eat it with a spoon. Don't it? We're very resourceful. We're from the Caribbean, we're Jamaican. We know how to turn our hand and make fashion. We know how to adapt. So I will be eating this, even though it's all mashed. I'll be eating this with a spoon in a mug. Almonds powder. So I am troubled with eczema. Well, all of us are, unfortunately, have eczema and dry skin. Almonds powder is a medicated powder that can help to keep us cool. It can help to prevent like heat rash, because here in Medicine Hat the summers are really hot and the weather is, or the air is very dry. It's a very dry place. So we had flare-ups of eczema last summer, and so I requested an almonds powder just so that we can have it to help with the heat if we find that we're getting heat rash. Fortunately, so far we have not had that experience, so maybe our bodies have adjusted, I don't know, but I said it's very handy to have. Guys, I believe that is all that came in my package this time. It was mostly snacks, but of course I had a few particular items that I really wanted to have, and it would make sense to just send 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in a giant box, so we tried to fill it up with snacks. Whatever is expired, we're gonna have to throw them away, but whatever isn't, we're going to make use of them, even if they're crushed. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you've made it all the way through to the end of the video, you know what to do. Click the like button, leave a comment down below what's your favorite snack and what would you want to receive in your box from Jamaica. Share this video with a friend and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post 2 videos weekly and I would like you to be a part of my family. Thank you.